Okay, to model how to find the keywords in the text structure, we're going to use a Reading A to Z book. A Reading A to Z book, you can search for a certain text structure. So on this one, I search compare and contrast because the research says that compare and contrast and description are the two that you should start with because they're the easiest for kids to work with. So when I would first start this with the kid, I would tell, or not a kid, but a student, I would tell the student that this text structure is going to be compare and contrast, and then give them the keywords and then have them look for the keywords. That's how I would start it. That's how I would model it first for the kids. All right, so I'm looking at this as butterflies, and I have my text, I have my words here. Oh, I see, however, okay, how many people, butterflies, moths, is the same. Oh, I see the word same, it's on my list. I see the word different. And these are all clues that this is going to be a text structure of compare and contrast. Okay, let me look at the next page. What are they? Oh, like, which means that they have hard skin. Okay, it says 6 legs. Let's see, is also have? Also, no, that's not one. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's a nice chart that kind of separates things. Okay, let me see. Now, oh, here's however again. Here's different again. Let's see. Let's see if I can find any that we haven't saw yet. I don't see any yet. Let's see. Let's keep going. Okay. And when you're doing this with the kids, when you're first modeling it, you would, of course, I guess, be reading it aloud. So I'll model a page reading it aloud. Let me see if there's going to be any in here. Okay, let me go back to something I already highlighted. Okay. Like I said, when you're doing this for the students, I would read it out loud. Butterflies and moths can be beautiful to watch. People plant gardens to attract butterflies. Butterflies in zoos, at zoos and city gardens draw large crowds. However, okay, I already highlighted that, so that's on our list. No one builds a garden to attract moths. Many people think of moths as pests. So how are butterflies and moths the same, and how are they different? What makes a butterfly a butterfly? What makes a moth a moth? The answer to these questions, we need to learn about their body parts, life cycle, and behavior. Okay, so that's basically how you would do it. You would read it aloud, and then when you're modeling, remember you're modeling, you're picking out the keywords. They're just watching you. They're not helping you. You're just picking them out. And then the kids would know that this text structure is compare and contrast, and then they would know where to go with the graphic organizer from here. Okay.